Good morning.
Morning.
What do you have in your hands? What's that?
Wait.
And what else are you having with your grapes?
Hold on, not done. I gotta finish it. It's not done yet.
Mommy's making you a fruit platter.
Having bananas and her favorite oranges. She's eaten probably the entire package of cuties since we've been here. She just loves it. It's a Dory tray.
She also wanted to get film.
Yeah, she said, Daddy, film it. Rafael has not gotten up yet. He's been getting up super late.
Why is he sleeping in my room?
Yes, he is. It's both of your rooms. It's Rafael's room and Abigail's.
Yeah.
For sleeping purposes, anyway.
Yeah, that's it.
When the,
That's all we do in there.
when the,
Uh-huh. Grandma gave these plates to us. Guess how much I love you with a bunny on it. And Dory.
yeah.
Finding Nemo, I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
You gonna go outside and eat, or do you want to sit in the living room?
No. Eat in the room.
In the living room? Okay.
You can come sit on the couch if you'd like. I'll help you. Go ahead. Oops. Let's have one, Abigail. We'll have a table soon.
Hey guys, still haven't gotten ready yet. I was working on the computer. Rafael's now up. He is going to eat his breakfast. He's like a zombie. He's very tired in this house because he's been running every single day, riding his bike around the yard, just like having a really good time. We have been ordering books from PJ Library. It is Jewish books. It says Jewish bedtime stories and songs. These are completely free. One thing that we worried about when we were moving to America from Israel is that they wouldn't have, like, you know, connection to their Jewish side. And plus we had to get rid of everything that we owned. We weren't able to take very many books at all. I ordered this probably like 6 months before we even moved here. So they have been getting a collection of books, and they even have free gifts here. Not sponsored or anything. This is a free book service. You can donate to this. I think it's really awesome. For our family, it's really awesome. We just basically replaced all the books that we had to give up when we moved over here. So they are going to open their mail now. So this is for Rafael, 1 and 1. So they have probably like 5 or 6 books a piece here. I think you get 1 book a month. It's amazing service. Go look it up. It's called PJ Library. It's super wonderful. Good morning, kitty. Everyone in this house is so much happier. So much happier here. Am I right, Rafael? You look so much tireder. Okay, just sorted them out. I don't know if my mom... This is Rafael's stack, and this is Abigail's stack. Okay. Go ahead and open all your books.
You know what I'm going to do?
What are you going to do?
Tear it up! Yeah. The PJ Library really did it really good.
Wow. Let's see.
That was easy.
Saturdays are special.
Yeah, because your dad is home at Saturday.
That's true.
Is this for me?
Yes. Open your book. No, hold on. Hold on. This is Rafael's. But it's okay. You can read it too. But this is for you. So open it.
Yeah. This was easy. There's another book in here.
Cool. Both of you can share books.
River Read. River Read.
What'd you get?
Got books. River Read.
Oh yeah. River Ride.
Hey, what is this book?
PJ Library Passover River Ride. Okay, Hadar is doing something with the TV in there. They got a Tzedika box. Yes, but from what I understand, this is like a bank and you keep money to donate to others in need. Every small coin given to charity combines with the rest to form a large sum from the Talmud. Yeah, so this is a sharing box. So you put money in here.
Every Hanukkah you do it.
That you're going to give away to charity. And inside they give you 4 games in 1, gefilte fish,
Yes.
Minch match,
Yes.
Minch raids, and Mighty Minch. PJ Kindness card games. So they get a card game and a box for sharing.
Every Hanukkah we put a coin in it.
Yes.
If it has a Hanukkah thing on it.
Yeah.
This is happening, and no, we're not painting our house white. This is going to be for the ceiling.
The ceiling is a little dingy. The kids are watching
Planet Earth.
Planet Earth.
And 4K.
So we don't have a scoop, and I am worried that he's going to spill some on the floor. The flooring in here is new. It's not like what we would have chose, but it's new, and we're gonna keep it for a long time. So I thought, okay, let's make a scoop. So we had to pour out our milk, and we put all of our milk in the Ninja, and now we're gonna put this in the fridge. This is a half a gallon of milk, by the way, because this was half full. I'm gonna dry this out. He's gonna scoop up the paint and pour it into the container.
Ka-ching.
Yeah. Yeah. I'd say 2 scoops of that.
One more scoop?
Yeah. And then you can put the jug on the lid.
Good.
Yeah, perfect.
Jungle music is appropriate. Yeah.
Yeah. This is contractor paint, so it's cheap and generic. Yeah, you're gonna have to put several coats on there. See what a difference that makes? Wow. Wow. Look at the difference. It's just so nice. He's doing such a good job.
Marker?
It's right there in the top drawer. I have to go get a desk because we're getting internet tomorrow, and Hadar is going to set his computer up tonight probably, and there's nowhere to set it up, so I have to get a desk for 2 people, or at least another desk or something. We're using our dining room table right now, which is very small and only good for 1 person on a desk. Okay, I left my purse inside. Rafael said he would run in and get it, which is nice. We are fixing to leave. I'm going to go to an office furniture store that I saw yesterday driving by, but it was closed because I think it's like family owned, so they probably closed at 5, and it was like 7 or 8. So we're gonna go out there today. It is through the week, so it should be open. It is a used... I'm gonna hit everything on the way there. There is a taxi going down the road. Okay, that's interesting. It is a used and new furniture store for office furniture. If I don't find anything here, that's gonna be crazy for one. We've already looked at Walmart. There's not a 2-person desk there. I really don't know what else to do except for IKEA. We know we can make one from IKEA because that's what we've been using for the past like 4 years or something. No, we're not going to IKEA today. However, we are going to IKEA soon, and we're going to do something special for the kids when we go down there, and me. We're gonna go to one of my favorite places, and if you know me, you know where that's at. And no, it is not Disney, because Disney is my least favorite place probably in the whole world, and that taxi just drove by because he was going the wrong way. We live down a very desolate road, so nobody really should be driving down here except for 1 person. Let's get out of here and find a desk, huh?
Guys, you know what this is? A resting arm thing. You rest your arms on it.
He is having such a good time in this new huge vehicle. We're gonna have such a good time today. I called my mom today, and I wanted her to go with me, like, just to shop, and she can show me where thrift stores are, but she's going to go with me in a couple of days. She's going to take me to some thrift stores, and we're going to see if we can finish, like, not just decorating, but, like, furnishing the house. we have, like, she got us everything we needed probably ever for the kitchen. I can't even think of one single thing that I needed. I bought an apple slicer and a silicone spatula, you know, just so I could get all my eggs out of the bowl because I don't like to waste. You know, things like that. Just like little things we've had to purchase, but it's a big expense when you have to purchase a lot of little things. My mom probably saved us like thousands of dollars by giving us pretty much everything. She's been saving up stuff for a long time, waiting for us to move over. She has known about us moving back to America for 2 years. So let me go. So this is not long. It's already long. Okay, see you in a minute. All right, it has been a while, but I remembered that this place sells furniture, Big Lots. We actually have a Big Lots furniture store here in town. I'm gonna go in here, and I'm also gonna go to Big Lots. Maybe I can get some deals. I used to get some really cool things there. My grandma, I used to go with my grandma, so it's been quite a long time since I've been. Last time I went,
grandma?
my grandma.
Grandma?
She's not alive anymore. It's Esther Grandma's mother. So, yeah, you never met her, but I haven't been for probably, I went one time and I bought a picture, and which is now in my house now. I thought that maybe I could ship it over to Israel when I first moved there, like 8 years ago, almost 10 years ago.
People don't want to know.
What's up?
With the camera off.
Anyway, I couldn't ship it because it was $900 to ship. I already had it boxed up, and I couldn't believe the cost of shipping. $900 to ship that huge picture.
What does ship mean?
To ship it over, like, through the mail. When you box something up and you send it, it's called shipping. Yeah? You like his glasses? Red, white, and blue flowers.
Ah.
All right, we're gonna go out now. All right, this is the Rustic TV Stand. I got this for the computer desk. This is more because it's a TV stand, so it has 2 shelves, and it actually rolls too. So if we get like a TV maybe in the living room, we'll put something like that in. But this is a Rustic, and the drawers open really good for a TV stand. It's $169. This is another TV stand. This is a little more. It's $300. I don't want to pay that much, but I do like it. I don't know if Hadar would like this wood, but it's got like the console table stand, you know. Rafael's really excited right now. Okay, this is called Trinell Rustic Bedroom Group. There's a nightstand, 3-drawer. I do like it. You know, it's the MDF stuff, I guess, but it's got like the metal accent right here. A nice color wood. It looks true to color on the camera, I think. Metal handles. There's the inside. It has 8 drawers total. That's the tall one, and it is not especially deep, so it's low profile. It's like 14 inches or something. Let's see. Here's the dimensions. 64 wide, 16 deep, 43 high. So it is high. Here is the 5-drawer chest. Tall. That one's $300. I think I like this one better just because it's low profile. This one is a little deeper. Here's the dimensions of this one. And there is the nightstand, $199. Okay, and they do have a bed. Let me look at the bed. Okay, here's the back of the bed. So it looks like MDF. Okay. Finish rail on top. Square leg. So you have to be careful when mopping because that will swell up if you get the floor wet. But here's the bed. It is pretty, $369. King bed also available for $499. 4-piece group, $1269. That's a little high. Rafael, you can't leave your glasses here. Okay, so that's the bed. It is kind of massive. Mattress, $579. Don't run through the store, please. I like that set, but it might be too dark for you. There is this is a 3-piece set. I don't know how much it is, but 2 of these and a coffee table. This is a rustic, like, little bench. I do like that. It's on sale right now, $59, but it goes with the set, I think. There's the rustic 3-piece or 3 shelf thing. So it's got the metal and the wood. The same grain. That's $59 for 3. We could put boxes on there. Cubbies. This caught my eye immediately when I walked in. It's a little high for what we need. I mean, we already have a dining room and a island, but it's got the 2 benches and a tabletop that actually flips over to make a double table. So it'd be big for the dining room, but small because you could push it out of the way. Okay, this one's $100. All right, got 2 desks, got 2 chairs, and these were on sale at Staples, and got these at Big Lots, the desks.
Kitty's playing dead kitty.
2 minutes ago, she tried to get out the window, or out the door. Over and over again. 2 minutes ago. Kitty. It's just so tiring to be a cat. Long time no see. So here's the status update. Basically all day I've been painting. Andrea's been out buying stuff and she came back. And she's been doing that.
Trim work, and I did the trim work on the ceiling. Hadar painted all of the ceiling in the whole house, and I did the trim work. I'm doing the trim work on the trim, and then we're going to paint.
So yeah, ant work.
Yeah.
But she's done all that, and the ceiling has been painted too, so that's all nice, matte and gloss, shiny and matte. And hopefully tomorrow, since all of this is now white, tomorrow these walls will be painted in a different color. We are still in the process of moving, so this is an ongoing situation I still haven't gotten out of. In my head, I have not been able to get out of this. Andrea calls it a limbo. I don't believe it's a limbo because we're moving, but moving forward. But yeah, the constant work, constantly doing the same stuff. I hate painting. We're getting items that had to be built, so I built those 2 desks. I'm gonna build a drawer station, and then save the best for last. I'm going to do the 2 chairs, and that'll be all for tonight. Tomorrow, hopefully, we can finally get internet in the house. It's just exhausting. You know how it feels to move constantly your entire life, and then you have to move again. And I keep telling myself, it's the last time. It's the last time. I'm done. It's the last time. I'm not gonna do this again. So I'm really putting a lot of effort into painting because I hate it, but we need it. So I'll get back to you when I'm done with the other items that have to be built.
It's 1 o'clock. We didn't realize Hadar has built everything for our home office. Chairs and desks and a file cabinet type of thing to put our important papers in. Oh my goodness. My feet are hurting me like when I was working and standing up all day. That's what my feet are doing right now. I would come home and have to rub my feet for like 2 hours to make them feel better.
And for me, this is like less than a work day. I'm like new.
Yeah, he's just used to this. All right, we are going to bed now. Have a good night.
Good night.
We don't have internet. Go show Daddy how adorable you are. Put the balloon in the balloon hole. Okay. Not as loud as that monster truck the other day. Going to pick out some canned meat, but what the heck?
When there's water, rain above the sun and it drips on the one drip of water.
We're just about ready.